Welcome back to Cooking with Guage. Here's your host, Guage. Alright, today we're making authentic, made in Malaysia ramen soup. You always want to start off by pre-teriyaki-ing your noodles. Then you can move on to chopping your veggies. Now I myself love carrots because they can be steamed, braised, or served fresh. I've aged this broccoli for about a week because I forgot about it in the crisping drawer. Main star of this soup is gonna be tempeh. I remember the first time I had tempeh, I was in France. I was in a 10 Michelin star restaurant called Le Rue de Chariot. When the waiter brought over the tempeh, I asked him, "Garçon, what is this exquisite dish?" The waiter replied,
Je m'appelle Gaston.
I don't think he really spoke very much English.
Hey, it seems Gage is going off script.
After a few glasses of wine, Gaston took me out on the streets of Paris. What a magical night.
Can someone get Gage back on track?
I will never forget it.
Talk about the soup.
Oh my, well it looks like the soup is pretty much done here. I just happened to pour...
Who let Gage have a bottle of wine before filming this?
miso broth, I don't know where the time went. And poured that over the noodles and then placed tempeh on top. So, I guess that's how everything ties together. You know what, guys? I had a really good time filming this with you. This kind of reminds me about the time I was in France.
Oh boy.